my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make raw, vegan and gluten-free rainbow cheesecake. It's super delicious, colorful and very easy to make. But now let's get started, and first we will be starting with the base. To make it you are going to need 200 grams of dates. I suggest that you are using soft and juicy dates. Also, you are going to need 150 grams of almond flour. Place both ingredients in the food processor and process for a couple of minutes until mixture is well combined and it is sticky. Place prepared mixture in the tart tin, which is about 9 inches, even it out and press tightly with your fingers. But now let's continue with the filling. To make it you are going to need 250 grams of cashews, which are soaked overnight, 170 milliliters of full-fat coconut milk, another 170 milliliters of melted coconut oil, 120 milliliters of maple syrup, juice of 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And to make all the rainbow colors, I am going to use pitaya powders, blue spirulina, matcha, curcumin and acai berry powder. But now let's prepare the filling. Place all ingredients in the blender except for the colors and blend for about 3 to 5 minutes until you get nice and creamy texture. Divide prepared filling in even parts and mix in colors of your choice. And now let's fill the base. Pour each of the color right in the middle of the cake's base and you will get nice and round rainbow. Once that's done, place the cake in the freezer for at least 3 hours until it hardens up. When that's done, take it out of the freezer, cut it in slices and you are ready to go. Here's our super delicious, easy to make, gluten-free and vegan rainbow cheesecake. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to try it out. You can find all the details below this video. Please click like, and if you haven't subscribed to my